Hi there. So I started watching the Frankenstein Chronicles last night. It's on BritBox, Amazon BritBox, and it's with Sean Bean as a detective tracking down a mystery where children are being abducted and killed and sewed together. And I was just thinking about how we're all kind of Frankenstein creations because we're all sewn together from our political, religious, economic, socioeconomic, personal, allegedly personal views. And this patchwork quilt, which we call ourselves, is really just made up. It's just a tattered, torn, worn garment that we wear and say, well, of course it's this way because this is my life. Well, life is your life, and you don't have a life outside of life being life. And life is alive in all of its aspects, including the rocks would sing if you could listen. I once pulled a ceramic frog, and at the Monroe Institute, there was a ceramic frog, and it was sitting up on dry land. And I thought that frog needs to be in the water. And I wasn't thinking, I just heard the frog. I felt the frog tell me, please put me in the water. Nobody will do it. That's what I heard. And so I took the frog and I put it in the water. And then the teacher for that course came to, I'm so glad you do that. I've been waiting for somebody to do that for years. You know, I mean, you got a stream right here, and the frogs over here looking at the stream, we can never get there. And we're kind of like that too. There's a stream of consciousness that runs through, a current that runs through our lives that's a part of all life. And yet we think we're this little thing sitting on the bank observing. Let go of the observer and be that which is observed. See you next time.